Title: Transform your home audio experience with Sonos Era 300. Hello there. Welcome to our world of incredible sound. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the latest addition to our family, the Sonos Era 300, the smart speaker that will redefine your audio experience at home. Imagine you walk into your living room after a long day. The room is dimly lit, and the aroma of dinner wafts from the kitchen. Suddenly, your favorite song starts to play, filling the room with rich, immersive sound. That's the Sonos Era 300 in action. Now, let's talk about who this beauty is for. If you love music, if you crave quality sound, if you want a speaker that adapts to your life, then the Sonos Era 300 was designed just for you. So, what makes it so special? Well, first off, it's wireless. No more tangled wires or complicated setups. You can place it anywhere in your home and start enjoying high-fidelity sound instantly. But that's not all. The Era 300 is Alexa-enabled. So, you can ask it to play your favorite tunes, check the weather, even control your smart home devices, all with just your voice. Now, let's dive deeper into its sound quality. With Dolby Atmos support, the Sonos Era 300 creates a multi-dimensional audio experience that wraps around you, making every note feel like it's being played live in your living room. And if you're someone who enjoys movies or games, the Era 300 doesn't disappoint. Its crisp dialogue and powerful bass will transport you to another world. But how do you use it? It's as easy as pie. Simply download the Sonos app, connect the speaker to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. You can even create a multi-room system, filling every corner of your home with beautiful sound. Now, let's compare it to other speakers in the market. Most smart speakers offer average sound quality or complicated setup processes. But the Sonos Era 300 combines exceptional sound, seamless setup, and voice control all in one sleek, stylish package. So, are you ready to upgrade your home audio experience? The Sonos Era 300 is more than just a speaker, it's a companion that understands your love for great sound. Order yours today and let the music fill your life. Remember, sound is personal. And with the Sonos Era 300, you get to experience it on your terms, whenever, wherever. So, don't wait. Make every moment a sonic adventure. Click buy now and step into a world of incredible sound.